Open Start menu. Search for Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Run and run it. Open the Start menu again. Now type CMD. Right click on CMD and select Run as administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. In the same command prompt window, type netsh winsock reset catalog and press enter. After that, exit and restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.